Good morning, all of you. NCERT, Class 9th, Chapter 13, Mathematics, Surface Areas and Volumes. And today's our class is Exercise 13.1, Introduction. Exercise 13.1, Introduction. And our first topic is surface area of a cuboid. First topic is surface area of a cuboid. Before starting, what is the surface area of a cuboid? Let us look over the full chapter. So what main factors are there in this chapter? The first one is the surface area, and the second one is the volume. Okay, the first one is that cuboid and cube, and next one is the right circular cylinder, and the third one is the right circular cone, and the fourth one is the sphere and hemisphere. Our first exercise is all about surface area of cube and cuboid, and the second exercise is surface area of a right circular cylinder, and the third exercise is the surface area of right circular cone, and the fourth exercise is the surface area of a sphere and hemisphere. These are the first four exercises, and the remaining four exercises are the first one is the 13.5 volume of a cube and cuboid, and sixth exercise is the volume of a right circular cylinder, and 13.7 exercise is volume of right circular cone, and the last exercise is volume of sphere and hemisphere. So this is the complete entire chapter. In this chapter we are going to learn this all the 8 exercises. Now we will start. What is surface area of a cuboid? Cuboid, I think you all know, which is looks like a matchbox. Let us draw the cuboid. It is a cuboid shape. So this is the lambai, so that is the length, we will denote as a L, and this is the chaudai, that is the breadth, so we will write as a B, and this is the height, we will write as a H. So let us talk about the cuboid. Cuboid, total how many faces are there? Total 6 surfaces are there. One is the front, back, top, bottom, right and left. So total 6 surfaces, and each face is in the rectangle shape. Each face is a rectangle, and the edges of cuboid are one is the length, and the another one is the breadth, and the last one is the height. These are the edges of a cuboid. So what is the total surface area of a cuboid? TSA, total surface area of a cuboid. Very simple formula, that is 2 times length breadth height plus height length. Simple formula. So I will make you feel also how this formula is given. Okay, see. Here this front and back both are same or different? They are same only. So this is the front one, this one, and the back side is this one. Here front area and back area both are same. Front will be equal to back, both are equal in area. So see, front one, it is in the shape of rectangle, so what is the formula? Length into breadth. But here this front face is, this is what? Height. So area of this rectangle is length into height. Next, left and right are also equal in area, so left will be equal to right. So again it is in the shape of rectangle, so what is the area of this one? Breadth into height. And now what is remaining? Bottom and top. So this is the bottom and this is the top. So the bottom area which is equal to top area. So what is the area of bottom? It is also a rectangle, so length into breadth, then area of top also length into breadth. So now we have to find the total surface area. So we have to add all the 6 faces of a cuboid. So what we will get? Front plus back plus right plus left plus downside I am writing. Okay, front to back, right, left, bottom plus top. So now front, what is the front area? Length into height. Plus back area also same, length into height. Plus right area, breadth into height. Plus left area also breadth into height. Plus bottom area, length into breadth, plus top area, length into breadth. So what answer we will get here? See, length into breadth, 2 times repeating. So we can write 2 times length breadth plus breadth height also 2 times repeating. So we can write 2 times breadth height plus length into height also 2 times repeating. So again we can write 2 times length into height. So now in these 3 terms the 2 is common. So take outside, we will get 2 times length breadth plus breadth height plus height length. So this is only the total surface area of a cuboid. 2 times length plus breadth, sorry, length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So this is all about surface area of a cuboid. So now let us talk about lateral surface area of a cuboid, LSA. Lateral surface area of a cuboid. Lateral means sideways. While finding the lateral surface of any solid, the bottom and top excluded, we will not count. We will take only 4 sides only: front, back, right, left. So here we have to take only 4. That is which one? Front plus back plus right plus front, back, right, left. So what is the area of front? Length into height, LH, plus back also same, length into height, plus right, which is equal to breadth into height, plus left also equal to breadth into height. So again here length into height repeating 2 times, so we can write 2 times length height, plus here breadth h also repeating 2 times, so we can write 2 times breadth into height. So again here 2 is common, so we will get 2 times length into height plus breadth height. Again this formula we can write like this also. Again here h is common, so we can write 2 times length plus breadth and times height. So this is the lateral surface area of a cuboid, 2 times length plus breadth into height. While finding the lateral surface area of any solid, the bottom and top we will not count, we will exclude it. Okay, I hope you all understand. Before proceeding to the next topic, please pause the video to note it down. The next topic is surface area of cube. Surface area of a cube. Cube, which is the example of dice. So the diagram will looks like. Again here also same. The cube has 6 surfaces and each surface is a square. Each surface is a square and all the edges are equal. All the edges are equal. So now we will take that each edge equal to a units, length also a, breadth also a, and height also a, because all the edges are equal in a cube. So now we have to find the total surface area of a cube. Total surface area means we have to count all the 6 faces. So here each face is a square shape. So area of square is what? Side into side. So we will get the area of each surface. Side square means that is a square. So a square we have to add the 6 times. So answer will be 6a square. Where a is edge or side of cube. So this is the total surface area of a cube, 6a square. Now lateral surface area of a cube. Lateral surface area. Just now I told you lateral surface area means the top and bottom is excluded, not counted. So just we have to take the only 4 surfaces area. Front, back, right and left. So we will get 4a square. Again same, where a is a edge or side of a cube. So this is the total surface area and this is the lateral surface area of a cube. So before proceeding to the example 1, please note it down. The first example is example 1. Mary wants to decorate her Christmas tree. She wants to place the tree on a wooden box covered with colored paper with picture of the Santa Claus on it. She must know the exact quantity of paper to buy for this purpose. If the box has length breadth and height respectively. Height has 80 centimeter, 40 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively. How many square sheets of paper of side 40 centimeter would she require? Okay, so this is the first example one, very simple question. Let us see. The solution. Mary wants to decorate her Christmas tree, so she wants to place the tree on a wooden box. So here is one wooden box. Covered with colored paper with picture of the Santa Claus on it. Next, she must know the exact quantity of paper she buy for this purpose. Means how much quantity of paper she want to buy for this purpose. So if the box has the length, breadth and height as a 80 centimeter. So the length is given 80 centimeter. The breadth is given 40 centimeter. And the height is given as a 20 centimeter. Respectively, means continuously. So how many square sheets of paper of side 40 centimeter would she require? Here the side of paper sheet also, so that is a square sheet. How much given? 40 centimeter. So there is a one square sheet is there, the side is given 40 centimeter. It is a squared sheet of paper. So like this, how many square sheet of paper is required? Okay, so here what is given, that we will write. So length is given 80 centimeter, the breadth is given 40 centimeter and the height is given 20 centimeter. So now we have to find the total surface area of a cuboid, means that box, wooden box. Total surface area of a wooden box, total surface area of a cuboid, the formula is 2 times length breadth height plus height length. So let us apply the values. 2 times length, how much? 80 times breadth is 40 plus the breadth is 40 times height is 20 plus height is 20 times length is 80. Next 2 times 4 8 are 32 and put the 2 zeros plus 4 2 are 8 and put the 2 zeros plus 2 8 are 16, put the 2 zeros. So next 2 times 0 plus 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 0, 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 means 6, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5. Next multiply, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 2 5 are 10, 10 plus 1 11. So the total surface area of a wooden box is 11,200 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of each square sheet of paper. Area of each paper sheet. So which is in the shape of square. So area of square is what? Side into side. So what is the side? 40 centimeter into 40 centimeter. So 4 4 is 16 and put the 2 zeros. So answer is 1600 centimeter square. Now we have to find like that how many paper sheets she required, means number of sheets. So therefore number of sheets required The formula is area of complete wooden box. Area of a wooden box, that is a cuboid wooden box, divided by area of one paper sheet or one sheet of paper. So apply the values. Area of a wooden box is, we got 11,200 divided by area of one sheet of paper, that is 1600. So here two zeros cancel. Now 2 8 is 16, 2 5 is 10, and 2 6 is 12. Next 2 4 is 2 2 is and 2 8 is. Next 4 1 is and 4 7 is. So totally how many sheets she required? 7. So this is the final answer. Before proceeding to the next question, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, all of you. This is the example 2. Amit has built a cubical water tank with lid for his house with each outer edge 1.5 meter long. So each edge of this cubical water tank is given 1.5 meter. He gets the outer surface area of the tank excluding the base. So covered with the square tiles of side 25 cm. Except base, this complete cubical tank is covered with the tiles, and the side of that each tile is given 25 cm, and which is in the shape of square 25 cm. So find how much he would spend for the tiles. So how much money you want to spend for all the tiles? If the cost of tile is rupees 360 per dozen means the cost of 12 tiles is 360, then what is the cost of total number of tiles? Okay, so we have to find here surface area of the cubical tank excluding the base, means we have to find the only surface area of 5 faces. So see the solution. So edge is given, edge of a cube is given 1.5 meter, but the side of a tile is given in centimeter. So we will convert the edge of a cube also, this meter, to centimeter. So while converting meter to centimeter, we have to multiply by 100. So 1.5 multiply 100. So the unit will be changing into the centimeter. So while multiplying any decimal number by 100, so you have to remember that we have to shift 2 decimal places to right side. So here we will get 150 centimeter. The side of cube means the cubical tank, we got 150 centimeter. So now we have to find the surface area of this cubical tank. Surface area of cubical tank excluding the base. So we have to take only 5 surfaces. So 5a square, where a is side or edge of a cube. So apply the values. 5 times a square means 150 multiplied 2 times, and centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Next 5 times 15, 15s are 225, and put 2 zeros. Centimeter square. So now multiply by 5. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 5, 25. Carry 2. 5 to the 10. 10 plus carry 2, 12. Carry 1. 5 to the 10. 10 plus carry 1, 11. So answer is 1,12,500 centimeter square. This is the area of the cubical tank. So now we have to find the area of each square tile. Area of each tile which is in the shape of square. So area of square is what? Side into side. So side is given 25 centimeter into 25 centimeter. So 25 is answer is 625 centimeter times centimeter, centimeter square. So now we have to find for this all the 5 surfaces how many tiles we required. So very simple formula. So number of tiles required, the formula is area of a cubical tank, area means surface area, divided by area of one tile. So write the values. Surface area of cubical tank is 1,12,500 upon area of one tile, that is 625. So now we will start cancellation in 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Next 5 2s are 10, then 12, again 5 2s are 10, next 5 5s are 25 and 2 zeros. Again 5 table, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Next 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25 and 2 zeros. Next again 5 5s are 25 and 5 9s are 45 and 2 zeros. Next the 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5, then here 4 is left, 4 0 40, then 5 8s are 40 and 1 0 as it is. So the number of tiles required is 180. So now we have to find the total cost for it. Already it is given, the cost is 360 per dozen, means per 12. So therefore cost of dozen tiles, that is 12, is given rupees 360. So now we have to find the cost of one tile. Cost of one tile will be equal to rupees 360 divided by 12. So now 12 ones are 12, 12 3s are 36 and 0. So rupees 30 is the cost of one tile, but here we are having total tiles is 180. So therefore the cost of 180 tiles will be rupees 30 into 180. So multiply 3 8s are 24, carry 2, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus carry 2 5 and put the 2 zeros. So the cost for the total tiles is rupees 5,400. So this is the complete answer. I hope you all understand very well. So before starting the next question, so please pause the video to note it down. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get more updates on your mobile first. Thank you.